Hello children. Now we will go to chapter 4, that is Pride and Prejudice. Okay. So first we'll go to the story. Later we'll see what all values we can learn from the story. It's story time. Okay. So Parmanand was traveling on work from Paris to Prague. Okay. Prague is a place in Europe. Fine. Then he was traveling from Paris to Prague. He was lost in his thoughts as he boarded his train. When he was about to get into train, he was lost in his thoughts. That means he was thinking about something. These white men, so different from us, they are selfish, uncaring and strange. See what thoughts he had in his mind. He had all negative thoughts. He was telling these Englishmen are not good. They are not like us. They are not caring about anybody. Strange. Like that he was just telling to himself. This happens with many of us. Yes, many of us, we just without knowing many things, we keep creating negative thoughts about a people or a place or anything. Yes, the same way here Parmanand was having this negative thought. He pulled out an Indian magazine after he settled down. Okay, after getting his seat in the train, he pulled out a Indian magazine. Let me see what's news in the Surya Patrika. So the magazine name is Surya Patrika. Okay, he wants to see what is the news in Surya Patrika. So he is very patronized. He wants, even in Paris, he wants to read Indian magazine. Okay. Just then a loudspeaker blared. An incident occurred to an accident is arrived in unfall. Justin isn't. See, this is a European language. Okay, this is a European language. So my slang is wrong. Actually, I just tried reading it. Because I don't know European language, I'm not able to pronounce it properly. What this mean is, all Parmanand knew was a smattering of English. So smattering of English is very few letters, smattering, a very small amount. Okay, in English also he was not very good enough in English. He knew very less English. Okay, he could understand little. In that, these people announced something in European language. He was totally like gone. He's like, my God, what are they telling? I'm not able to understand. Okay, so he turned to a lady near him and asked, what's happening? Why are people getting down here? Okay, so everybody were getting down from the train. So he was like, oh my God, why are they all getting down? So he just turned to a lady who was sitting next to him. He said, hey, what happened? What's happening? Why are the people getting down here? So the lady replied, let me find out. So the lady said, okay sir, let me find out first. She spoke to an officer and conveyed to Parmanand that the train would go no further as there had been an accident on the tracks. So this was the information that they gave in European language in the train. Okay, in the train when Parmanand was traveling, he got all the information about the accident which has occurred on the tracks in European language. So he couldn't understand. So he was so puzzled and he was very tensed. Fine. So now this lady, she spoke to an officer and said to Parmanand that train will not go any further. Okay, because there was an accident that occurred on the tracks. She then guided him to a connecting train. So what was the next task for her? She said, okay, you can take one more train which connects to the place wherever he wants to go. This will take us till Strasbourg. So Strasbourg is a place. Okay, this is not the place where Parmanand wants to go, but this is the connecting place so he wants to go to Prague. From Paris to Prague. So Strasbourg was a center point. So he had to change another train from Strasbourg. So she asked him to take another train which will take them till Strasbourg. Okay. She said, Parmanand was flustered. What is the meaning of flustered? They have given here. Flustered, upset and confused. Yes, this is what happens. No, you get, for example, you were going in a school bus 19 daily. Okay, daily you board a school bus number 19. One day by mistake, speaking to your friends, you have boarded to number 17 or 16. all of a sudden the bus takes another route. How do you feel? You get so tense, no? Because you're not traveling in the same, road. You're going to some different places. You'll be very, confused, and you'll be very tense. The same way that happened to Paramanand. He said anxiously. And after that, ma'am, now he's very scared. He was very anxious, and he just asked again the lady, okay, ma'am, after going to Strasbourg, how do we again go? What will happen? That is how he started asking her. They caught 4 different trains, one after the other. See, one train he missed. One was a direct train to Prague, but he not missed actually because of the accident, though, so they had to catch 4 different trains to reach the destination, one after the other. During the journeys, Paramanand and the old lady talked and got to know each other better. See, you can see this lady. This is the lady who is helping Paramanand. So they changed 4 trains, yes, to reach the destination. In that time, they both spoke very well to each other, so they could know each other better. I would have been lost without you, Paramanand said. So Paramanand is telling, okay, ma'am, without you, I would have got lost. I don't know any European language. Yes, now he's telling to her that, ma'am, I don't know any European language. Because of your help, I'm at least going to reach my place. So he is very thankful for the lady. The old lady smiled kindly at him and said, you remind me my son. Okay, the old lady said, oh no, it's okay. It's just a small help, and you are like my son. You remind me my son, in the sense, whenever she sees Paramanand, it is like she's seeing her son. Okay. Finally, they reach Prague. As they got down, Paramanand asked, so do you stay close to the station? Now Paramanand is asking the old lady, okay, ma'am, even you wanted to come to Prague and you're staying really near the station. The old lady replied, no, son, I will now have to travel 5 hours back to where we started from. See, this lady was in the same place. She had to just get down in the same place where the train had to stop. Okay, so now this lady had to go back 5 hours. Again, she has to travel 5 hours back to the starting point. Okay, Paramanand was flabbergasted. What is the meaning of flabbergasted? Yes, astonished, like shocked. He was shocked to listen. Oh my God, she came to help me. She came all the way, changing so many trains with me, and she's old also. No, she'll feel tired, but still she wanted to help Paramanand because Paramanand was just like her son. Okay, what? Why did you travel all this way? Now Paramanand asking, oh my God, you have to again go back 5 hours? Then why did you travel with me all the way? The old lady smiled at him and said, I realized that you would be totally lost. See, that lady could realize that, oh, Paramanand is first of all tensed and he's very anxious and everything, so he might get lost somewhere else. That is what happens. So when you're tensed and you're very scared, you don't know what to do. You need somebody's help. Correct. So the lady thought, okay, I should help this person because he is new to this country. He's new to the place. He doesn't know the language. He doesn't have anyone to help. So that lady, she went and helped him. She wanted to help them. Okay, I knew that I must help you. Okay, she now voluntarily went and helped him. Saying she got into her train. Okay, she said that and she went back. She boarded her train so that she has to go back 5 hours back to the same spot where they started. Paramanand stared after her. Okay, he was just looking at her. As he waved, he realized that he had been unjustly prejudiced. Prejudice over here is, children, to just hate something. Without knowing a person, you keep hating him, then it becomes a prejudice. So what did Paramanand do? The same thing. In first page we read, he was just scolding these English people. He was telling they are unfair, they don't help each other, they don't care for anyone. But see, an European lady only helped him at last. Yes, now he was just like that, unjustly, he was very unfair in that, making that negative thoughts about people, the place, everything. Okay, he likes his country, I agree, but at the same time you should respect others also. You should just like that, you should not have any negative thoughts about people or place or food or about others' culture or about others' caste, religion, whatever it is. You should always respect. That is what it means. Okay, he said to himself, people are good all across the world. So now he is telling, okay, all across the world, in the whole world, people are good. Even though there may be some differences, we are all basically the same. Yes, only there will be some difference, that's it, in our culture and their culture, or our customs and their customs. Okay, or the way we dress up or they dress up, or the food we eat, whatever it is, there might be small difference, but we are all human beings and we are all the same. We should respect each other. We should respect each other's culture, everything, the place there. If you go to some other place, some other country, please respect them. That is how they show respect to our country. You will notice that the way they speak, the way they talk to us and everything. Okay, so here in this, what values we learn, that is appreciation of cultural values of others. Yes, we have to appreciate and respect others' cultural values. Equality, we should all think that everyone is equal. Everyone is equal. Okay, fellow feeling, open-mindedness. You should be broad-minded, children, not narrow-minded. Okay, I'm a Hindu, I have to be like this. So if someone is doing some other religion, student is doing something else, you should not feel bad and tell, okay, he is bad, they're doing all this nonsense. No, it is their culture. You should respect. If you don't follow, it's okay, but respect. Yes. Solidarity of mankind, universal love. Love everyone. Respect everyone. Respect for others. Quest for knowledge. Spirit of inquiry. You should learn about different things. You should be ready to learn things always. Okay. So skills also. What are the skills? Self-awareness. When you are stuck in any difficulty, you should know what to do, how to get out of the problem solving. Yes, problem solving, critical thinking, creative thinking, decision making, empathy, interpersonal relationship. Everything is very, very important. Okay. So, what do you say? What was Parmanand thinking as he boarded the train? He was thinking that the Englishmen were very unfair and they were not caring about others. Yes? What happened after Parmanand settled down in the train? After he settled down in the train, what happened? So there was an announcement made that they had to get down from the train because there was an accident on the tracks. What did the old lady tell Parmanand after inquiring with the officer? Okay, after inquiring the officer, the old lady said that the train doesn't go further and they have to take another route to reach the destination. Why was Parmanand flabbergasted? Why was he flabbergasted? He was flabbergasted because he came to know that the lady had just come to help him and she had to go to a different place, but she traveled all the way with Parmanand to just help him and make him reach his destination, the place wherever he wanted. What did Parmanand realize as he waved at the old lady? He realized that all in the world, all the people are very good. Okay? And he was unjustly prejudiced. That is what he thought. Yes, this is the activity which you can read by your own. Yes. And yes, how about a discussion? This is how you deal with the situation. A situation is given with you and you have to write in your own sentences. Okay, children? So, put a tick mark against the correct answer. Okay, I will write the answers and I will post it in your Google Classroom. Okay, first you try to read it by yourself and solve. Anyway, I will give the answers also. Okay, children, thank you. So, this will be your portions till up to fifth chapter. Up to fifth chapter. Now I've done fourth chapter. Okay, please go through. It is in Google Forms. Your moral science test is in Google Forms. Okay, usually it is MCQ. Okay, all the best. Do well.